Straumann SIRIOS implant workflow. Get familiar with the steps to acquire the Emergence Profile scan, learn how to use the Mark and Cut tool, understand how to export your case to your laboratory. Select New Case to create a new patient case. Refer to treatment plan videos to learn the details on how to fill the implant prescription. When doing implant selection, make sure to select the right implant kit, as Straumann SIRIOS will validate the 3D geometry of the scan body for Straumann, Anthogyr, Neodent and Medentika implants. Once the implant has been selected, the software will automatically add an Emergence Profile scan to your scan sequence. Click Next to start to scan. Make sure to follow the scan sequence, can be edited in the settings. Click on the Scan button on the handpiece to start the scanner. Antagonist arch scan. In each scan screen you can use the button marked with an M on the handpiece to move to the next scan. Emergence Profile scan. Remove the healing cap and acquire the Emergence Profile of the implant. Review your Emergence Profile scan. Make sure to have acquired enough adjacent teeth as well as 3 to 4 mm of gingiva everywhere. Bite scan. Scan the bite prior to screwing on your scan body. Scan 3 to 4 teeth on both sides. The scanner will stop when the software has enough data. Scan body scan. In this screen, the Emergence Profile scan is reloaded. Simply mark and cut the implant area. Click on the implant area to mark it. You can enlarge the mark cylinder by using the green handle. Then select Cut to cut and lock the scan. Click the Start button on the handpiece to acquire the scan body. Note that the data captured in the cut area will be processed in higher resolution. Click Review to process the scans and move to the Review screen. Once in the Review screen, click on the Tooth Tagging tab. Tag each tooth and scan body and hit Validate Implants. The green check mark confirms the implant validation. Select Next to move to the export screen. Add a due date to your case and check the prescription box. Select Straumann AXS Export to export your case to your desired laboratory. Click Send. Once exported, Straumann AXS will be launched for you to export your case to your desired laboratory. Select your laboratory and hit Send. The status will show in validation to confirm the lab has received the patient case. Reminder: you can scan every implant kit, but only Straumann implants Anthogyr, Neodent and Medentika will benefit from the geometry validation of Straumann SIRIOS. When marking and cutting your scan in the Emergence Profile screen, don't cut this one into 2 separated pieces.